Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to apply a bright colored lipstick flawlessly and how to make it last longer. So continue watching the video so you can learn tips and tricks how to apply a bright colored lipstick. For this you require a lip balm to prime the lips, then a cream lipstick and a matching lip liner to go with it. So before you start applying your lipstick, start with some kind of a chapstick or lip balm to just prime your lips. So I'm going to start with that. Do this before you start applying your face makeup so it has time to get absorbed in your lips. Now once you're done with your full face makeup, just dab off the excess lip balm. And then we will start with applying the lip liner. Now when you're applying a darker shade of lipstick, I highly recommend using a lip liner. So I'm going to start at the Cupid's bow. And you don't have to go all the way to the lip ends over here, but I'll just do the Cupid's bow. And then I'll do the bottom lip. Now you go a little towards the edges, the outer corners. Okay. Now I'm going to start with applying my lipstick. Today I'm going to use the McGrath Lipstick in the color Panic, Full Panic, number 005. Okay. It's a pretty shade of pink. Okay, so I'm going to start applying from the center and go over to the edges. Do not worry if the shape is not that correct right now. We're going to do the shaping again. Now I'm going to apply it to the bottom lip. Okay. Now I'm going to use the lip liner again and just give it a nice shape. So it's nice and smooth and there are no uneven lines. Now once you're done applying one layer of lipstick, what I usually like to do so that my lipstick would last longer is just dab off excess. And then go again with another layer of the same lipstick. So here I go again. This will help your lipstick last longer than usual. Now this is true only in case of a cream lipstick. If you try to dab off excess liquid lipstick, it will just make your lips much drier. So do it only with cream lipstick. So again, I'm going to go in and dab off the excess. This also gives your lipstick a clear, uniform look. And that's it. That's how you apply this pink lipstick. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Makeup Simplified, and share this video. Also, comment in the comment box below if you would like to see any specific looks.